Hi students, in the first video of this chapter, we learned about some important facts of Indian Parliament. From that, we come to know Parliament has immense powers because it is the representative of the people. Also, the Parliament needs to perform some function. Let us learn about it. The functions of Parliament are: first, to select the national government; second, to control, guide and inform the government; third, lawmaking. Let us learn each function of the Parliament in detail. First is to select the national government. Parliament of India consists of the President, the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha. When we learn about President of India, we should know that President is the head of the state and he is not directly elected by the people. The President of India is elected by elected members of Parliament, that is MPs and MLAs. Already you learned that Parliament has two houses, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Let us learn about each one in detail. The Lok Sabha. It is elected once in every 5 years. Lok Sabha is also known as House of the People and also Lower House. Its total membership is of 545. In that, 543 are elected and 2 are nominated members. Lok Sabha is presided over by the Speaker. To form the government, a political party must have a majority of elected MPs in the Lok Sabha. This means majority party should have at least half the number, that is 272 members or more. The opposition in Parliament is formed by all the political parties that oppose the majority party. The largest among these parties is called the opposition party. One of the most important functions of the Lok Sabha is to select the executive. What is executive? The executive is a group of persons who work together to implement the laws made by Parliament. Prime Minister and Council of Ministers, they are the executive. The Prime Minister of India is the leader of the ruling party in the Lok Sabha, as well as he is the head of the government. Prime Minister selects ministers from the ruling party to work with him or her to implement the decisions of the government. Sometimes single political party do not get majority to form the government. There, two or more political parties join together to form a government is known as coalition government. Another house of parliament is Rajya Sabha. It is also known as Council of States or Upper House. Its total strength is 245 members. In that, 233 are elected members and 12 members are nominated. Rajya Sabha is chaired by the Vice President of India. The members of the Rajya Sabha are elected by the elected members of the legislative assemblies of various states. The Rajya Sabha function primarily as the representative of the states of India in the parliament. The Rajya Sabha can also initiate legislation. A bill is required to pass through the Rajya Sabha in order to become a law. So therefore, it has an important role in reviewing and altering the laws initiated by the Lok Sabha. Second function of Parliament is to control, guide and inform the government. During Parliament session, the Parliament begins with a question hour. The question hour is an important mechanism through which MPs can elicit information about the working of the government. This is very important way through which the Parliament controls the executive. By asking questions, the government is alerted to its shortcomings and also comes to know the opinion of the people through their representatives in the parliament, that is, the MPs. The opposition parties play a critical role in the healthy functioning of a democracy. The opposition parties play a critical role in the healthy functioning of a democracy. They highlight drawbacks in various policies and programs of the government and mobilize popular support for their own policies. In all matters dealing with finances, the parliament's approval is crucial for the government. The MPs, as representatives of the people, have a central role in controlling, guiding and informing Parliament, and this is a key aspect of the functioning of Indian democracy. Third function of the Parliament is lawmaking. Lawmaking is a significant function of Parliament. The rule of law means that all laws apply equally to all citizens of the country and no one can be above the law. Thank you. Here we come to the end of the chapter.